Hi children, I welcome all of you to our maths class, that is our online mathematics class. So we already finished 3 chapters and we are starting the 4th chapter, that is multiplication. We already studied numbers, addition and subtraction. So next we have to study the chapter of multiplication. So before that you have to study the multiplication tables of 1 to 6 and 10. That we already studied in 2nd standard. We studied in 2nd standard, we studied multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. 2, 5 and 10 are very easy to study. So you have to study 3 and 4. So remaining multiplication tables and problems we are studying in this chapter. So all of you have to study the multiplication tables. So we will start this class.
Hey kids, let's learn about tables. Tables 1 to 10. Table of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. Table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100.
So we watched what we studied in the last year. That is, we began the chapter multiplication. Multiplication tables, already we studied multiplication tables of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. In second standard we studied, first we studied the multiplication tables of 1, 2, 5 and 10. that are very easy to study. Multiplication table of 2, 5 and 10. And we studied the multiplication tables of 3, 4, 6 and 10. 10 also very simple to say. So in this class we are going to study the remaining multiplication tables, that is 7, 8 and 9. So we have to study in this class, we have to study the multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9. Before that I will do some problems of multiplications regarding the multiplication tables of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. So I think all are forget how to do the multiplication, and I know all are forget the multiplication tables also. So to recall these multiplication problems, we will do some problems with respect to the tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. We will do some problems to remind you how we will do the multiplication problems. So we will look how to do the multiplication problems. This is simple multiplication problem, that is a multiplication of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Multiplication of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So I told you many times, I told you while we are doing the addition and subtraction problem, where we will start the problems calculations, where we will start from the ones place. We will start it from the ones place. So here which are the numbers in the ones place? Here we have to multiply 21 into 4, 21 by 4. So here which are the numbers in the ones place? 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are the numbers in the ones place. So we have to multiply first 1 by 4. 1 into 4. We have to do 1 into 4. 1 fours are what? 1 fours are what? 1 fours are 4. It is very simple to say. 1 fours are 4. Then next we have to multiply which and which number? Next we have to multiply which and which number? Yes, tens place. Here in the tens place the number is here 2. 2 is in the tens place, so we have to multiply this 4 again by 2. First we multiplied the 4 by 1, then we have to multiply 4 by 2. 4 into 2. 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. This we studied in second standard. We already studied in second standard. To remind you the multiplication, I am doing these problems. So 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. 1 4 is 4 and 2 4s are 8. Then what is the answer then? 84. So 21 into 4 is 84. So the answer is 84. So next we will do the next problem. 32 into 3. We have to multiply 32 by 3. So where we will start the multiplication from? Tell me all of you, where we will start the multiplication from? From the ones place. So here which are the numbers in the ones place? 2 and 3. Here which are the numbers? 2 and 3. So 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Then we have to multiply which and which numbers? First we multiply the ones place numbers. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 that we wrote there. Then next we have to multiply 3 and 3. That is the tens place numbers 3 and 3. 3 3s are what? 3 3s are, tell me all of it, tell me. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? 96. 32 into 3 is 96. So we multiplied a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number without regrouping. Without regrouping, that we studied. So 32 into 3 equals 96. This type of problems we already studied in second standard, and their word problems also we studied. We look one word problem I will show you. We will look how we will do the word problems of multiplication. So there is one word problem I have written there on the board. A flower has 5 petals. A flower has 5 petals. How many petals do 6 flowers have? How many petals do 6 flowers have? A flower has how many petals? 5 petals. A flower has 5 petals. 5 petals. Then we have to find how many petals do 6 flowers have. So such 6 flowers have how many petals, that we have to calculate, that we have to find out. So what we have to do? What we have to do? Tell me all of you. If a flower has 5 petals, then we have to find how many petals do 6 flowers have. What problem, what calculation we have to do to find the flowers, how many petals do 6 flowers have? To find the number of petals of 6 flowers, what we have to do? We have to multiply 5 by 6. We have to multiply 5 by 6. That is, we have to do 5 into 6. 5 6 are what? We studied the tables, multiplication tables of 5 and 6. Either you can count the multiplication tables of table of 5, or you can count the table of 6. Then you will get the answer. 5 6 are what? Or 6 5s are what? Tell me all of you, 6 5s are what? 5, multiplication table of 5 is very easy to say. Then tell me, 5 6 are what? 5 6 are 30. So 30 is the answer. The total number of petals of 6 flowers. Total number of petals of 6 flowers are, what is that answer? The answer is 30. 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. So these problems we already studied in 2nd standard. To recall the multiplication problems, I done this problem. So next we have to study the multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9. That I will explain through the help of the slides or video. So we will study the multiplication table of 7. All of you take your textbook page number 120. All are taken? So we will read the multiplication table of 7, and there is a box. You have to fill that box. The answer you have to fill in that box. So all of you say with me. 1 7 is 7. 2 7 is 14. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 5 7s are 35. 6 7s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 8 7s are 56. 9 7s are 63. And 10 7s are 70. This way you have to study the multiplication table of 7. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 8 7s are 56, 9 7s are 63, 10 7s are 70. So you have to study the multiplication table of 7. Next we will look the multiplication table of 8. 1 8 is 8. All of you say with me. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. And 10 8s are 80. You have to study the multiplication table of 8, 7 and 9 also you have to study. You have to fill that number line and the boxes. Write the number you land on, 8. After that you have to write. Then next we will study the multiplication tables of 9. So 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 10 9s are 90. You have to fill that boxes. I just told you, you have to study the multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9. You have to fill the textbook columns also. And all of you have to study the tables from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10 we already studied in second standard. So you have to study the remaining multiplication tables, that is 7, 8 and 9. That I told you here, and you have to study well. You have to recite all the day. You have to recite once in a time the multiplication tables from 1 to 10. So all of you have to study the multiplication tables of 7, 8, 9. Already we studied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. If you studied these tables, then you have to study the tables of 7, 8, 9 and 10. So totally I am saying that you have to study all the tables. 1 to 10 tables you have to study. Then only you are able to do the multiplication problems. Otherwise you will not get any mark in this chapter. Because if you studied the multiplication tables, then only you are able to, you can do the problems, that problems and word problems. Otherwise you cannot able to, you are not able to do any problems. So first you have to study the multiplication tables properly. So I will make call to each and every students in third standard. So all of you have to study multiplication tables. When I am calling, you have to say the multiplication tables without looking your notebook and textbook. So you have to study the multiplication tables. So I am doing some problems, multiply using tables. By using tables, we will do some multiplication problems. That is a 1 digit into 1 digit problems that I am showing here. So all of you look how we will do the multiplication problems by using multiplication tables. So the first question is 7 into 6. 7 6 are what? Tell me, all of you tell me, 7 6 is what? Either we can recite the table of 7 or 6. Both when we count both, we will get the answer. If you are saying the multiplication table of 7, then we will get the answer, and if you are saying counting the multiplication tables of 6, then also you will get the answer. So 7 6 are what? 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. And next 8 3s are what? 8 3s are, tell me. You can recite the table of 8 or 3. So what is the answer of 8 into 3? 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Then 9 9s are what? 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Then last 6 into 8. 6 8s are? 6 8s are? Tell me, all of you tell me, 6 8s are 48. So you have to study multiplication tables. Then only you can do this type of problems and word problems also. In this chapter, multiplication is the problem we are doing. So you have to by heart the multiplication tables from 1 to 10. I know all I forget the multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. 10 is very easy to study, and 5 also. And 2 is also very easy to study, but you have to study all the tables you have to study. Okay, then you have to study the problems of multiplication using multiplication tables also. So I will show you the 2 word problems of this multiplication using the multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9 by the help of the slides. Then you can easily understand how to do this type of word problems. So you have to look the slides and you have to study the word problems of multiplication. So I told you word problems we will explain through the help of the slides. So the first question is, there are 7 pens in a pack. How many pens are there in 8 such packs? So how many pens are there in a pack? There are 7 pens in a pack. Then we have to find the number of pens in 8 such packs. So we have to write first step as number of pens in 1 pack, that is equal 7. So the next step is number of pens in 8 packs. Number of pens in 8 packs, that is we have to multiply 7 by 8. 7 into 8, that is 56. 7 8s are 56. So you have to study the multiplication tables, then only you can answer this type of questions. So all of you study multiplication tables. The second question is, a bag contains 6 balls. How many balls are there in 9 such bags? So we have to first write the step as number of balls. Number of balls in one bag is 6. And we have to find number of balls in 9 such bags. So we have to write the next step as number of balls in 9 bags. That is 6 into 9. We have to find 6 into 9. 6 9s are what? 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. So we have to do this answer only we know the multiplication tables of 6 and 9. Either we can recite the table of 6 or the table of 9. If we know the two tables thoroughly, then we can answer it fluently. Otherwise you will get very difficult to answer this type of questions. So all of you have to study the multiplication tables from 1 to 10, then only you can answer this type of word problems. So I think all are understood how to do this type of word problems in multiplication. We already done the problems in addition and subtraction, that is word problems. So this multiplication word problem is I think all are understood. So you have to write these two word problems in your notebook. So what we studied in this class? We started the 4th lesson, multiplication. So you have to study, I am reminding once more, you have to study the multiplication tables from 2 to 10. From 2 to 10 you have to study, otherwise you will not able to do any problems in this multiplication chapter. So first you have to study the multiplication tables. So what are the things we studied in this class? By using multiplication tables we done the multiplication problems by using the tables of 7, 8 and 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10 we already studied in last year. So and their word problems also we studied. So you have to study the multiplication tables and you have to do the problems well. Okay, then I think all are keeping fine at home. Then take care, study well, take care, bye bye.